Alright, y'all know who it is, y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. We have a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe, and I'm gonna show you how to replace these front speakers. First thing you want to do is come up here to the tweeter and kind of pop that out. I'm gonna go ahead and put my panel removal tool up here at the top corner. Get in there. There we go. It will pop that out like that. Next, what we're gonna do is come over here and get all this little extra change and throw it in a cup holder, because they should have had it clean before they came here. And we're gonna take our little flat profile and we're going to take out this little rubber thing that's giving me a headache. All right, there's gonna be one Phillips right there. There's literally only 2 screws in this whole door. This is the passenger side. Driver side is the exact same way. And we're gonna come here, take our flat profile, and boom, reveal the second Phillip. So let's just go ahead and take those 2 Phillips out. All right, now what you guys wanna do, I came over here and I used my hand, and all this is held in by clips. Clip, 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 clip. The whole thing is held in by clips. After we go ahead and pop this thing off, we should be able to, yep. Just held in by them good old clips. Once we get them clips done, whole thing comes off. Literally just lift up. Now, I'll turn my light on so y'all can see. Take out this harness. Boom. Press in on that little button. Take out that harness. Boom. Now, you have this little situation right here. This is a small little tab. You just lift up, unclip it, and then we have that door off. And we are left with this thing right here. This does take 6 1/2, and it's held in by 4 Torx. So we're going to use our T20. Change bits real quick. Just take out all these screws. Y'all don't want to see this. All right, taking all the screws out. Now disconnect this harness. Boom. Now we have our factory screw, our factory speaker gone, and we are just replacing it with a Pioneer 6 1/2. This is the TSG series. Me personally, I would rather use the TSA, but it's gonna mount right there. No spacer or anything required. We're just gonna drill our holes in, but not before we tap into our wires. Now, you guys know me, if you've been watching me for a while, I love using speaker harnesses because it just takes the ease out of trying to find out which one's positive and negative. Although I already know which one's positive and negative, I'm just going to go ahead and military splice these and tap our wire. Alright, so I think I've already done a video on this. If I have, then I will. Actually, I know I have, but I'm going to show you anyway how to strip it. So I take these wire strippers. Sometimes you gotta hit it 1 or 2 times. Boom. All right, so we got the wire stripped. I know my red is my positive and the blue is my negative on this. So now there's a couple different ways you could do that. You can wrap your wire around here and solder it. What we're going to do is our pick tool and stab a hole right through the middle of that. Strip our speaker wire, and we're going to put our speaker wire through that hole. Bow. Once it goes through that hole, then we're gonna wrap it around. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. All right, so now we have a nice wire-to-wire connection. We're just gonna take these up, throw a zip tie on it. We're gonna put some screws in our speaker, and shoot, we're gonna be done with this car. All right, y'all, so that's just about it, man. We got this speaker wired in there. Now I'm gonna clean this up, zip tie it or something, just so it just looks a little bit neater. But if you guys found any value in this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Peace.